Yeah, he's too far out. Wish he was over this way. I would have waxed him. There's two.
I killed him.
Behind us. We've now made it down here to the hole. I'm gonna try and get on some ducks. Wax them, Unc, wax them. Switch them down, nephew. Trent, tuck back some. Alright, now where the birds at? We literally just had them flying here before I cut the camera on.
Well, we've seen more ducks than last time on the trip.
Yeah.
There they are. Tell me when. Switch them down, Unc. Over the trees, over the trees. Overhead. Way too high. Yeah, if one comes out in the middle like that again, we might as well blast it. Bro. Dude, my call's freezing up. We ain't gonna get them to land, we ain't got no decoys. Two right there, two right there. Switch them on, switch them. Oh, we got one bird, Pa.
I didn't touch that. I can tell you that.
Hey, Trent, I hear you, son.
I didn't touch that, but I can tell you that.
Yeah. Hunter, did you shoot at that second one?
Huh?
Who shot the second one? Yeah, I did too. I ain't gonna lie about it.
I shot twice and 3 shells are gone.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hey, that's the new cut them off.
Switch them down up.
Switch them down, up. See what we mean, Hunter? Let them get close. Hey, is that camera recording?
Red dot.
There's two right, three. Be still, be still, be still. Oh man, that's when we need the mojos, bro. My safety's off. Uh-uh.
You hit that bird out there.
I know it did. I shot at both of them. Hey, after I shot at that second one, I ain't gonna lie, it started to fall.
The second one definitely got ruffled feathers.
Yeah, it's laying dead out there. Drake, retrieve.
We had him.
Yeah.
Y'all got to be still.
Gotta get my crouching position.
Alright, homie, you got to shoot. You got to get your first one now.
Yeah, come on now, Pa. I killed that second one, but I'll let Daddy have it. If it's a Drake, I killed it. Go with my hand, I killed the other day.
Right, young, still flapping in the wild.
There's sounds like one off to our left. I bet there's another pond over that way. Huh?
I shot 3 times but didn't fall.
Probably ain't gonna lie to you. After I shot the second one, it fell.
Who actually killed that one?
Nathan.
I ain't gonna lie. Well, I mean, it don't really matter to me. But when I shot at it, it started to fall. I ain't gonna lie. Uh-huh.
I seen whoever shot first started to fall.
Nathan shot first and then I.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Pulled the trigger second.
Yeah. Missed. Here, duck, come back. We have your friend out there.
We got decoys.
Yeah, we got a decoy now.
3 decoys.
Dude, I bet if we had the decoys out here, Daddy, we can get in the land.
Oh, yeah, but you know what?
Oh, God. Yeah, I know.
Hey, I've had more fun the last time. I'm not soaking wet and I got to shoot.
Don't get too excited because you got to go get that bird.
I'm the only one without chest waders.
It don't look real deep.
Am I the one
It
that
might
killed
be.
it?
Good butthole.
Yo, if you're watching this video right now, yeah, I don't really know for real.
I wonder if you can see the bird.
I'm not quite sure what type of call that is. There's one over there. That might have been a duck. I hope it was. Hope he comes his way over here. The heck was that? Hunter, you didn't shoot at all? Bro, what type of junk is that?
There's a bird in the air. I didn't shoot.
That's what I'm saying.
I mean, I shot.
When they start working, you gotta get down. Or just when you see him. Hunter, don't you got that whistle?
He left his calls in the truck.
Bro. Man, he landed over yonder. Yeah, he's too far out. Wish he was over this way. I would have Waxed him. There's two.
I killed him.
Heck yeah.
Oh, what is it? I can't tell from here. I'm blind.
Both of us have killed one. Where you at, Hunter?
2-2.
Hey, little tag team action, Pa. Yeah, I was shooting at that one too.
Right before it fell is when I shot.
He's fitting to fall. I seen him folding up. I was like, yeah, he's fitting to fall.
Waxed him. There's two.
I killed him.
Switch him on. Switch him. Oh, we got one.